Hello students, I am Nishi Chauhan. In the previous video, we have discussed the rules of the Roman numerals. In this video, we will write the Roman numerals. Okay. We have the symbols from 1 to 1000 for the Roman numerals. We represent 1 as I, 5 as V, 10 and X. From 1 to 39, we can use only 3 symbols to write the Roman numerals. Okay. After that, 50 for L, 100 for C, 500 for M and 500 for D and 1000 for M. So let's see how can we write only using 3 numbers the Roman numerals from 1 to 39. Okay. Let 1, that is for 1, I. For 2, I. For 3, I. For 4, because first of all we write 5, right? Then 4 means 5 minus 1, yani 1 subtracted from V, because the smaller symbol should be written from the left side of the greater symbol when subtracted. So then next number is 6, 5 plus 1. The smaller number if written, then it will be added to the larger symbol. For 7, VII. For 8, VII. For 9, before 9 we have to write 10. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, it means 10 minus 1 should be written first, then 10. So 10 minus 1 will be 9. After then 11, 12, 13 and so on. For 14, X means 10 plus 4. We have to break the tens and ones separately. First write the tenth symbol and then write the symbol for the ones place. Okay. So as you see, I have written up to 30. I have write first of all in 20 I have written X and X, 10 plus 10. Now 21, first I have write 20 then 1. In 22, first I have write 20 then 2. 20 then 3, 20 then 4, 20 then 5 and so on. I have completed up to 30. Okay. Now 31, 32, 33, 34 and so on. I have completed up to 30 and 9. 30 and 9. But how? How can we write the number 40 in Romans? Can we write it as X, 10, that is 40? No, this is not wrong, because our rule is said to be that same symbols cannot be written more than 3 times consecutively. Okay, so to write the 40, we have to check out the next symbol. What about the next symbol? I, V, X. Using 3 symbols, we have written up to 1 to 39, but for 40 we have to use the next symbol, that is L, means 50. For 50 I have to write 50 minus, for 40 I have to write, for 40 I have to write 50 minus 10. So for 10 I have to use X, but the smaller symbol should be written to the left to the greater symbol. So for 40 I have to write X first then L. So 40 will be XL. Okay. So 40 will be XL. Now can I to continue, 41 as XL, 41, 42 XL and 42. For 43 I have to write XL 3. Suppose I have on 49, then I have to write XL. This is 40, and for 9, 10 minus 1 yani 1 minus X, 1X, that is 9. This is 40, this is 40 plus 9, that is 49. Now it's turn for the 50. For 50, what is the 50? L. The L symbol is used for 50. Now for 51, what we have to write? 50 and 1, 50 and 1, 50 and 2. There is 59. For 59 I have to write 50 then 9. Okay, now it's turn for the 60. For 60, 60 means 50 plus 10. Right? So the added number should be on the right side. Any smaller number should be on the right side for L and X. For 70, 50 plus 10 plus 10. That is 50, 10, 10. That is 70. For 80, I have to write this one. But for 90, can I write it in this way? No. 4 symbols, same symbols, cannot be written consecutively more than 3, right? So for this we have to use the now next symbol, right? We have used I, V, X, L. For the next symbol, that is C for 100. Now I have to use C, that is for 100, right? But now how can be 90 written? 90 should be 100 minus 10, but the smaller symbol should be written first. So X, 10 means X should be written first, after then should be written 100. That will be the 90. So 90 equals to XC. Clear? But further, for 100 I have to write the symbol C. C is written to be for 100. Now it's turned to the continue for 100 to 1000 numbers. Now for the further numbers from 100 to thousands, there is a rule, that is order of writing a numeral. We have to separate 1000, 100, tens and ones into pieces. यानी we have to हम ऐसा कह सकते हैं that we have to write the numeral into expanded form. Yes, thousands, hundred, tens and ones, and we have to start the Roman numeral from the thousand sides. Or first of all we have to break the number into expanded form. Expanded notations में हम इसको break कर सकते हैं. जैसे 256 था, so we can write 256 in expanded form as 200 plus 50 plus 6. Then we can write easily from the 100 sides. हम सबसे पहले 100 की साइड से स्टार्ट करते हैं. 200 मीन्स 100 plus 100 यानी C and C. 50 means L. 6 means VI. Now combine this number C, C, L, VI. That is 256. Clear? Now I am taking another example, that is 387. First of all, I have to split it into 100 tens and ones. That is 300 plus tens place plus ones. Okay, in expanded notion, first of all I have to write for 300, that is C, C, C. For 80 I have to write 50 plus 30, यानी 80 के लिए 50, 60, 70, 80. For 7 VII, 5, 6, 7, right? This is for 300, this is for 80, this is for 7. So 387 will be written in Roman numerals as like that. Okay, now I have taken another examples, that is it will be in 1000. Before writing the thousands number, first of all look these numbers. For 100 we will write C. For 200 C, C, yani 200, 100, 300 C, C, C. But now 400 we can't be written C, 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 C. Right? It will be 500 minus 100. So 100 should be written first, and C should be written first because this is the smaller symbol and this is the greater symbol. Smaller symbol should be subtracted from the greater symbol and should be written on the left side. So it is CD. Now it is the turn of 500. For 500 we have D, the next symbol. अब आता है हमारा 600. For 600 we have to written 500 plus 600, 100, that is DC. For 700 DCC. For 800 D, yani 500, 600, 700 and 800. Now it's turn for the 900. For 900 we can write D, C, C, C. No, 4 symbols cannot be written consecutively. So for 900 we have to use the next symbol, that is M. 1000 minus 100 will be 900. So 100 should be written first, and CM will be 900, and 100 equals to 1000 equals to M. So these are the Roman numerals from 100 to 1000. All numbers can be written easily now. Now it's turn for the thousands number in the form of now I take another example in the thousands form, 1635. So how can it be written? 1000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 5. 1000 means M. For 6000 we can written 500 plus 100. 500 means D, 100 means C. For 30 X. For 5 V. So M 1635. Okay. Students, I have a question for you. I have a number 950 and one student written LM for it. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. LM, L means 50, M means 1000. So, but 1000 minus 50 will be 950. It may be correct, but no, ये सही नहीं है, because a rule that VLD cannot be subtracted, right? VLD cannot be subtracted because 950 should be written 900 plus 50. Okay, so 900 means CM. 1000 minus 100, then 50. So this is the correct answer. Let's student, we take another example. Let 3399. First of all, we have to split it. 3000 plus 300 plus 90 plus 9. For 3000 means 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 means M. For 300, 100 C. For 90 X C, right? 100 minus 10. For 9, 10 minus 1. That is the answer. ओके अब मुझे लगता है आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा दैट हाउ कैन अ रोमन नंबर बी रिटन. ओके, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करना और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर सकते हैं आप. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, वीडियो को लाइक करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. हैव अ गुड डे.